XYZ can fill a tank in 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes respectively. 25, 30 and then 15 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the three pipes are open. What is the proportion of the water filled by Z and Y together to the total water in the tank after 5 minutes? అమ్మ ఇక్కడ మీరు 5 minutes అనొచ్చు, 1 minute అనొచ్చు, 10 minutes అనొచ్చు, x minutes అనొచ్చు. ఏదైనా కానీ మీకు డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? ఎందుకంటే టోటల్లో ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ 3 ట్యాప్లు ఉంటాయి. దీంతో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు YZ ఎంత పర్సెంట్ అని అన్నాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ 1 minute లో ఎక్స్ అనేది 20% చేసి, వై అనేది 30% చేసి, జెడ్ అనేది 50% వర్క్ చేస్తుంటే ఎవ్రీ మినిట్ 20, 30, 50 కాంబినేషన్ లోనే జరిగేది. 5 minutes తర్వాత అంటే ఇంటూ 5 ప్రతిదానికి ఇంటూ 5 వేస్తాం. కాబట్టి రేషియోలో ఎటువంటి చేంజ్ రాదు. నౌ లెట్స్ సీ హియర్. LCM is 150. X will do 6 units work, Y will do 5 units work, Z will do 10 units work. All together will do 21 units, and then X, Y and Z will do 15 units. This is per minute. నేను అన్న పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే పర్ మినిట్ మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ రేషియో వస్తుందో 5 minutes అప్పుడైనా 10 minutes అప్పుడైనా ఒకటే వస్తుంది. ఎట్లా 1 minute కి ఎంత కాబట్టి 5 minutes అంటే ఇంటూ 5 న్యూమరేటర్ లోనే వేయాలి, డినామినేటర్ లోనే వేయాలి. వేసినా కానీ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్. రాయటం ఎందుకు, క్యాన్సిల్ చేయటం దానికి. నౌ 3 5 times, 3 7 times, and the ratio is 5:7. That is fourth option. Next, how many ways the letters of the word Nescafe can be arranged so that the vowels come together? Vowels should come together. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. No. How many vowels are there? 3. If these 3 are grouped as one group, another remaining are N, S, C, F. 4 more letters are there, and this group is there. Total 5. So these 5 can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. And there are 3 vowels with us. These 3 can be arranged themselves in 3 factorial ways divided by repetition. There is a letter E which got repeated twice, so divided by 2 factorial. 5 factorial ante enta 120 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial ante into 3. 123 times ante 360. First option answer. అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ రివైండ్ చేసుకోండి. Now the simple interest on a sum of money is 1/64th of the principal, and the number of years is numerically equal to the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest per annum? Rate of interest per annum. Okay. Simple interest is 1/64th of principal. Simple interest is equal to PNR. N and R both are numerically equal. Hence in place of R I am writing N divided by 100. PP gets cancelled. 100 goes to this side. 100/64. N square is equal to 100/64. I'll write 100 as 10 and 64 as 8 square. So total N square is equal to 10/8 whole square, which is equal to 5/4. That is equal to 1/4. Whether your question is about N value or R value, because they are numerically equal, answer is 1/4. Third option answer. Rate of interest అడిగినా N value అడిగినా ఆ రెండు ఈక్వలే కాబట్టి 1/4 is final answer. Next, in a factory, 18 painters can paint 50 pillars in 14 days. If 4 painters leave the job, how many pillars will be painted in 144 days? So this question is related to what? Time and then work. Time and work. M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. 18 painters working 14 days can paint 50 pillars. 50 pillars is work done by them, divided by 50. Now 4 painters leave the job. So how many painters are there? There are only 14 painters now. And how many days they are working? 144 days. And how many pillars can they paint? 14 cancel first of all. And then 18, how many times? 8 times. Question mark is equal to 8 into 50. That is equal to 400. Second option answer. There are three types of pebbles, blue, red, and then black, in the respective ratio 3:8:5. If the difference between black and blue, black and then blue, black and then blue, that is first and last difference is equal to 2 parts, that is equal to 25% of red. Red is second one, that is equal to 8 parts. They need not to mention this point, right? This condition is true always, correct? Left hand side and right hand side both are equal, but you are unable to calculate p value. What is your question? Find the quantity of sum of blue and then red pebbles. Right, answer cannot be determined because you are unable to calculate how much is p value. So answer cannot be done. Next, 17 kgs of one rice of type 1, 17 kgs of type 1 rice, price 43 rupees per kg, and 22 kgs of type 2 rice, price 60 rupees per kg, and 12 kg type 3 of 21 rupees are mixed. What is the average of the mixed price? Mixed price. And ఇప్పుడు మనకి total selling price, total cost price by total quantity వేయాలి. 17 kgs తీసుకున్నాము, each kg price 43. So total cost of type 1 is equal to 17 into 43. Let's calculate that. 17 40 times plus 17 3 times. 17 40 times కావాలి. 10 times double. 10 times అంటే 170, double 340. 340 double చేస్తే 680. Now this is equal to 680. 17 3 times కావాలి. 17 3 times అంటే 51. When you add both, ఇందులో నుంచి 20 తీసి దీనికి యాడ్ చేసి 700 అవుతుంది, ఇది 31 అవుతుంది. Total 731. And then second variety type 2, 22 kgs and each kg price is 60 rupees. Total cost is equal to 1320 rupees. 1320 rupees. And then type 3, 12 kgs, each kg price is equal to 21 rupees. Then price is equal to 12 20s 240 and then 12 ones 12, that is equal to 252. So this is total cost price. And how many kgs are there? 17 kgs, 22 kgs, 12 kgs. 22 plus 12, that is equal to 34. 34 plus 17, which is equal to 51. Now 1300, 700, 2000, 2200, 2200, 31 20, 51 plus 52, 51 52, 103. 103. 2200 plus 103, that is equal to 2301 divided by 51. Everywhere denominator is 51 only. Okay. Now the logic is your numerator is ending with 1. Let's identify where exactly we have that form. 1 into 5 plus 8 ends with 3. This is not the right answer. 1 into 3 plus 8. Yes, we are getting 1. This may be your answer. Hold it. 1 into 4 plus 8. We are getting 2. 1 into 5 plus 8. This is already eliminated. 1 into 2 plus 8. This is ending with 0. So that cannot be the one. That cannot be the one. So only second option satisfies this rule. 33 8 by 51, and that is what our final answer. But we are getting 40 something, right? Hey, this is ending with 3. Sorry. This is ending with 3. That is not the right answer. Sorry, our sum is mistake. Answer should end with 3. There are two options. Answer should end with 3. This is possible and this is also possible. Here it is ending with 1. Here it is ending with 2. Here it is ending with 0. Either first or fourth one. Now, 5 times of this number is equal to 255, but here you don't have 255. So answer should start with only 4 only. Hence, fourth option is also eliminated. First option 45 8 by 51, final answer. Next, the average of 12 persons is increased by 4 years when 2 of them whose age is 37 years and then 42 years are replaced by 2 new persons. What is the new average? What is the average of 2 persons, new persons? Right, ఇప్పుడు 37 years తోటి 42 years తోటి అంటే వీరిద్దరి సమ్ ఎంత ఉంది? 79 years. 79 years ఇద్దరు బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఆ ఇద్దరు ప్లేస్ లో ఇంకొక కొత్తగా వచ్చారు. కొత్తగా వచ్చిన వారి టోటల్ వెయిట్ కూడా 79 అయినట్లయితే యావరేజ్ మారదు, సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ యావరేజ్ ఏమైందని చెప్పారు? 4 years ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. ఎలా? ఎంతమందికి? 12 members. అంటే 4 into 12, that is equal to 48 kgs more we have, plus 48. Now this is what total weight of new members, and you're asked to calculate average, that is divided by 2. Now if you add 1 here, it becomes 80. Take 1 here, 47 plus 80, that is equal to 127 divided by 2. Answer 63.5. 63.5, second option answer. Find the diagonal of the rectangle whose area is 108 and the perimeter is 42. If the perimeter is 42, 2 times of L plus B is 42. L plus B is equal to 21. Then product in the sense, area in the sense product, L into B is equal to 108. From this, you can say length is equal to 12 and breadth is equal to 9. L plus B is 21, L into B is equal to 108. Condition satisfied. Now you're asked to calculate diagonal. Diagonal is equal to under root of L square plus B square, which is equal to under root of L square 144 plus B square 81. Total under root of 225, that is equal to 15. 15 centimeters, first option, final answer. If 178 kgs of sugar is dissolved in 178 grams of sugar is dissolved in 240 grams of water and 132 grams of milk, then what is the percentage of milk? How much milk we have? 132 grams out of total. Total in the sense sugar, water and then milk. 130, 170, 130, 300, 8 plus 2, 10, 310. If you add 310 here, that becomes 550. Now this is divided by 550 percentage into 100. 10 percentage is 55. 20 percentage is equal to 110. Still you have to add 22. If 20 percentage is equal to 110, 2 percentage is 11. 22 is equal to 4 percentage. Then milk percentage is equal to 24 percentage. First option answer. Ram and then Sham make a total profit of 2,25,000, out of which 35 percentage is paid as taxes. And the rest, how much is rest? 65 percentage. 65% in the sense 65 into 1 percentage. 1 percentage is equal to 2,250. This is what remaining money. And out of remaining, they divide the rest in the respective ratio 5:4 and find the share of Ram. Ram is first person. So this fellow will get 5 parts out of total 9 parts. So that is 5 out of 9 of this number. Now 9, 2 times, 5 times and then 0. 5 times of 250 in the sense 1250. 1250 into 65. Just for your understanding purpose I am writing, otherwise I won't write it all. 65,000 times is equal to 65,000 and again 65 250 times. 250 times kavali ante 1000 lo 1/4 ane kada, 1/4 calculate cheddam. 1000 times lo 1/4. 1/4 of this number. Once 25 we have, 6 times 10 we have, 250. Answer should end with 250. There is only one option. Otherwise you calculate total, that will be equal to 81,250. Fifth option, final answer.